Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, hi, I'm Brittany. Welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. So today we're filming my favorite video to film, which is going to be a haul. I have some stuff from Sephora, Ulta, even Target. I've just been collecting things over time and just piling it up into this basket. So I'm going to show you guys that. And also I wanted to show you what I got from the Bath & Body Works semi-annual sale. I'm just going to show you what candles I picked up, but I'm going to be doing that at the end just in case you're just here for the makeup. So if you guys want to see this haul, let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, before we get started, I did want to address something. You guys know I never wear green eyeshadow because I just don't think it looks right with my hair, but I was feeling really inspired today by this neon green Obsessions palette from Huda Beauty, so I threw this all over my eyes, and I just wanted to tell you guys because I know I'm always complaining about how I don't look good in green eyeshadow, and I still feel like I look weird today, but I just really was inspired by that palette, so I went ahead and threw it all over my eyes. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and start off with the stuff that I got from Sephora, and I was finally able to redeem my points for a $100 gift card, and I was able to only buy 3 things with that gift card, which is crazy. That just shows you how expensive makeup is. 3 things is $100, but I went ahead and got 4 things in total because I added something extra. So the first thing I picked up was from Dior, and this is their Backstage Glow Face Palette, and I've actually been eyeing this for a while, and I just decided never to pick it up, but once I got that like $100 gift card, I was like, why not? I'm not really wanting anything else, and so I went ahead and splurged for this palette. It's so freaking pretty. I'll go ahead and open it so I could show you guys. Now they did create a newer one, which I wasn't the biggest fan of just because I feel like that one had a lot of glitter, but I ended up getting the color 001 Universal, so this is their first one that they came out with. This is what it looks like right here. It's so freaking beautiful. I love that it's clear and you can see the product through it. So this actually feels pretty lightweight, which I do wish that it was a little bit heavier, just because when it's lightweight like that, it makes me feel like it's a little bit cheap. And so here are the colors. So you get this like bronze one, which they actually describe this as a blush, and this one as a blush as well. The pink makes sense, but this, I don't think I would ever use that as a blush. I'm probably going to use this one just on my eyes. That's kind of why I was debating buying this palette, because I knew I wasn't going to be able to use all the colors like as a highlight, but I think I'll use that on my eyes. And then they have this beautiful gold one and the white one, which I will probably mix together. And so I'll go ahead and swatch these babies for you, even though I don't want to mess up the beautiful embossment. But this retails for $45 on Sephora's website. Oh my gosh, they're so thin in formula and they're really smooth. Oh my gosh, that pink is so pigmented. Oh, I love it. And so those are the swatches, and as you guys could see, they're just so freaking reflective. I probably do not need these highlights because I've been buying highlights like crazy lately. Like, I feel like in every single haul I have a new highlight, but I just cannot help myself. You know how like some people, they buy a lot of bronzers? I'm that way, but like with highlight. Like, I love the glow. Yes. So the next thing I've also been eyeing for a while, this is the Marc Jacobs Enamored Hydrating Lip Gloss Stick in the shade Mocha Chocolate. Mocha Chocolate? I don't know how to say that right. And I'm Hispanic, that's just a disgrace to me. But it just looks so pretty. It's a beautiful nude shade, and I've heard really good things about this formula. And so I love the Marc Jacob glosses, and this kind of has the same packaging, but this one is a little bit bigger, as you guys could see. And it feels a lot cheaper, to be honest, just because this one, the lip gloss is really weighted, and this one just feels really plasticky. And I don't know if you guys could hear that, but you could hear it like moving around. And all the testers in Sephora were broke, so I'm gonna be very careful with this, but this is just a really pretty kind of mauvey nude shade. And so what you do is just like click it up, so you just turn it around and then it comes out. Let's swatch it, and it's just supposed to be kind of like a lip gloss but in a stick form. Ooh, it's so pretty. What did I do with the lid? Oh, there it is. And the lid has like the color in there. That's kind of cool. But that is what the color looks like. It's just an everyday shade for me, and I've heard really good things about the formula, like it just being really comfortable on the lips. And that's just one of those things that like I could take to work and reapply throughout the day. but it's so pretty. And here's a close-up of the packaging. I can't remember how much it cost, so let me look it up. And so this was $28. So next up, I picked up another lip product. This one's from Huda Beauty, and it's their Power Bullet Matte Lipsticks. Now this is from her like new collection, so some of the new shades that she came out with, and this is a beautiful nude. It's in the shade Anniversary. This is what the packaging of her lipsticks look like. Super duper cute, and I love this color, and it has like a beautiful like velvety finish. As you guys can see, it's a really pretty like finish. Ooh, I love it. And they are magnetized, which you guys know I love magnetized lipsticks. And so that is what the color looks like right there. It's so beautiful. Did you guys see the shade she was throwing on the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks? She was basically saying like, oh, you could find your perfect nude with Huda Beauty. She was basically saying like, come over here if you're not happy with the Jaclyn Hill lipsticks. But anyways, I really like the formula. I can't wait to try it on my lips. And the last thing I picked up from Sephora was this Artist Couture Diamond Light Finisher, which I actually don't know exactly what these are meant for. It just says loose pearls, but I'm gonna use it as an eyeshadow. I got the color Diamond Bronze, and the reason why I picked this up was because Roxette Arisa here on YouTube had it on in her video, and she was talking about like her summer favorite products that are really glowy, and she mentioned this, and she had it on her eyelids, and it just looks so glowy and so bronze, and she said that was all that she had on her eyelids, and it was so beautiful. So I went ahead and just bit the bullet and bought this because it is $25, and I feel like for an eyeshadow, like if you're just using it for that, it's pretty pricey. But it's a loose pigment. This is what the packaging looks like. It just says Artist Couture. Hopefully this looks just as good on me as it does on her, just because she has a lot tanner skin than I do. Okay, so it feels a little bit chunky, but I'm just gonna kind of squish the chunks together. And so this is what it looks like. It kind of has like a bronze undertone, and then on the top it has a reflex of silver glitter on it. It's so wet looking and just gorgeous, and I want to try it the way she used it by just like putting it all over the lid as like an easy eye makeup look. And so I am so beyond excited about trying this, and I love Artist Couture. They're so nice. They've reposted some of my like posts that I've posted about like when I use their products, and I think that's so nice because I don't have like a giant following or anything, so I just think it's sweet that they do that. So moving on to what I got from Target, I only got two things, and the first one being these Sonia Kashuk makeup blender duos. And so I always see these in Mel Thompson's videos. I feel like I'm referencing a lot of YouTubers, but that's kind of like why I buy a lot of the stuff, because I'm like, ooh, I have to have that. But she uses these a lot in her videos, and she says it's her favorite like makeup sponge, so I thought I would give them a try. And they're pretty inexpensive too. It was $7 for a duo, and they're really big too, which I like because they're a little bit bigger than a beauty blender, and I feel like beauty blenders are a little bit on the smaller side. But you guys have to let me know if you've tried these sponges before and what you guys think. These are what they look like right here. They're super cute. I love the little pattern. Oh, I dropped it. But let's compare it to a beauty blender. So, they're about the same size, but this one is damp, so when this one gets wet, it probably will be a little bit bigger. And so yeah, I'm really excited to try these out. All right, and the next product I picked up was from the brand Rimmel, and this is their Stay Matte Loose Setting Powder. And I know that their Stay Matte Pressed Setting Powder is really, really popular, and a lot of people love it, and this is new, and so they made it into a setting powder, which I think is so cool because you guys know I love any loose powders. And so I thought I would try it out and let you guys know how I feel, but it has 10 grams of product in there, and I just got the shade Translucent. But yeah, I'm really excited about this. Hopefully it'll be a good like baking powder, because you guys know I bake like almost every day and I go through powder like crazy. The only thing I don't like about this one is that it does contain talc, which I don't like. But this is what the packaging looks like right here. Super cute, and it was $4.99, and so I picked that up. Now moving on to Ulta. So I got some gratis right here, and then I also just got something that I bought. So I picked up the Wet n Wild PhotoFocus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Spray, which you guys know I love my Too Faced Hangover RX Replenishing Primer Spray. I feel like I use this almost every day. I love it. It smells good. It makes your face nice and tacky. It really holds on your makeup throughout the day. And so this has 4 ounces. How much does this one have? 1.52. So this has quite a bit less product, but it's really, really affordable. And I heard that this was a dupe for this one, so I definitely wanted to try it out. I'm going to be doing a full face using new makeup, including most of these products, so be on the lookout for that, and I'll probably use this as my primer that day. And so yeah, I'm so excited. They did have different scents. I got the coconut one just because I love coconut, but I think they had cucumber and rose. but I cannot wait to try it. Let me know if you guys tried this as well and what your guys' thoughts are on it. Also, something I wanted to mention in this haul that I'm not able to show you yet, I ordered the Juvia's Place new foundation because some of you guys were asking me to review it, and so I did order it because at our Ulta we don't have it in store. I can't find an Ulta that does have it in store, but I ordered it. Hopefully it's the right shade, and I will be including it in the full face using new makeup whenever I do film that, because I am getting it this week. And so I just wanted to let you guys know in this haul that I am going to be using that along with all this other stuff in the trying new makeup video. But the rest of the stuff that I got from Ulta was actually gifted to me from a coworker. Her name is Carol, and she's the sweetest person of all time. If you're watching this, Carol, I love you so much. But she gave me these little prizes that just contain some gratis from Ulta, so I'll go ahead and show you guys this. So right here we got a mask. This is the green tea peel off mask. And then we got some moisturizing socks, which I've never tried this, but I've been wanting to try them for a while now just because I heard they're really good. So this one has sunflower seed oil and avocado, and it's just called moisturizing socks. So you just put them on like they're socks, and they're supposed to moisturize your feet, which is freaking awesome. And then we got this one, which is called Hydrating Socks, and it has shea butter and jojoba oil. So that's what this one looks like right there. And for makeup, I got this Urban Decay Perversion mascara, which I have tried this and I do like it. And so I got a full size of one of these. And if you haven't seen it, it just looks like this. It's a beautiful gunmetal packaging. And then I also got this lip kit from CoverGirl. This is the Outlast All Day Custom Reds lip set, and this is what it looks like right here. So inside you get like a red lipstick, a primer, and also a top coat, which is pretty cool. Then I got a liquid lipstick from Ofra, which I'm so excited about this color. It looks really pretty. It's in the color Dubi. Go ahead and swatch it. Ooh, it's a really pretty kind of cool tone brown shade, but it's like still a nude, if that makes any sense. Like it's a really light brown, but that is really pretty. And I love Ofra lipsticks. I have one other shade, and so I'm excited to try this one. I think this one's the older packaging, but it's still same formula. And then I got a cleanser from First Aid Beauty. This is just their regular face cleanser, and so this is really good, especially if you have sensitive skin. And then last but not least, I got this little mini face powder. It's so freaking cute. This is from Bare Minerals. It's their Bare Skin Perfecting Veil, and it's in the shade Medium. And oh my god, look, it's so cute. It comes with a little baby puff in there. How cute is that? I don't know if the shade will match. Maybe in the summer, like when I get tanner. It is summer, but whenever I get tanner and like go on vacation, maybe I'll be able to wear it. But I think it's so cute. If anything, if it's still too dark, I could just use it as like a light bronzer. Okay guys, that was everything that I got from Ulta. Now I could go ahead and show you guys what I got from Bath & Body Works. I'm so excited. They have some brand new candles, and I got some summer scents that I'm really excited about. So let me go ahead and start with this one. So the first one we got is called Pink Apple Punch, and these were on sale for $10.50, guys. $10.50 for this giant candle. Yes, and thank you. But this smells so good. It smells so like fruity and just summery. I thought it was a fruit punch, but it's actually apple punch, which I don't really smell apple in here. It smells just really fruity. How do I explain this? I'm really bad at explaining scents. It kind of smells like fruit punch, honestly. Like a lighter version of fruit punch. Nothing too strong. But this is what the packaging looks like. I love the white and the black top. But you guys should so go smell the ones I'm mentioning just because I suck at describing scents. But we got that one. The next one we got, Christian picked this one out. So this one's not so much a summery candle. This one's called Cactus Blossom. And this is one of those that kind of smells like cologne. It smells really good. It's very subtle. It's nothing too strong, but it kind of smells like Hollister or Abercrombie and Fitch. Is that how you say that? I don't know how to say that. But it's just one of those candles that smells so good and just like masculine. And you kind of like this whenever it's rainy outside and you just want to cuddle. And I love the packaging. I love the, this is kind of raised. You could feel it. It kind of feels like a sweater. And then it just has this gold cap to go on top, and I just love the raised filling. I just like want to keep doing this, but it smells so good. And the other two are just some more like summery scents. So this one is definitely my favorite one that we picked out, and so this one's from the White Barn, and it's called Waikiki Beach Coconut. And oh my gosh, it smells so good. You guys know I love coconut. It just smells like coconut mixed with like a little bit of fruitiness, so kind of like a pina colada but with less pineapple. Oh, it just smells so good. It says that it's made with essential oils. I don't know if all of them say that, but oh, I love it. If you guys have ever ate like a coconut snow cone, it smells like that, but a little bit more sophisticated and less strong. But this packaging is really cute as well, and I love the top. Alrighty, and the last one that we got, I actually forgot which one this one is. Ooh, okay, I remember now. Ooh, I'm gonna love this one. Hudson, my cat, wants to mess with all the paper now. No, Hudson, you can't mess with it. So this one is from White Barn, and it's the lemon mint leaf. And check out this packaging. It's this beautiful Tiffany like green blue color, and it smells like lemon. And to me, it just reminds me of childhood, like when your mom would clean with like Pine Sol or like any of those lemon products, and it just smells so good. And I love that lemon is really strong. I feel like when you have a lemon candle, it smells throughout the whole house, and it just smells so good. But the packaging of this one is just super elegant. I love, oh my gosh, now I have like a huge mess on my vanity. But that is gonna be everything for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. If you did, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Also comment down below if you have any questions for me. And like I said, I am going to be doing a trying new makeup using all new makeup, so stay tuned for that. I'm also going to be using my Natasha Denona Sunrise palette in that video too, because I still haven't touched this, and I'm just really excited to try all this new stuff. But if you're not already subscribed to my channel, BritanyRaquell, go ahead and subscribe, especially if you like hauls, because I do one on my channel every single week. I make videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so that's 3 times a week, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye!